This is problem 8-43. Sketch the graph of each function below on the same set of axes. So we're doing with exponentials here. Y equals 2 to the x, y equals 2 to the x plus 5, and y equals 2 to the x minus 5. So let's start with the first one, A. I'm going to graph them all on this grid here and use different colors. So this first one, we can make a table, or you can just maybe figure it out. But if you're not sure where to start, let's make a little XY table here. And the x's you're plugging in, we'll just do those couple there, are the exponents. So it's 2 to the 0th power. So anything to the 0 power is just 1. So there's our first point. Next, let's plug in x is 1. So that's the exponent, 2 to the 1st power. So that's a 2. Then we have 2 to the 2nd power, which would be a 4. 2 to the 3rd power is 8, and so on. You can also realize that the number in front of here, the exponential form, first of all, is usually like that. Y equals ab to the x. A is the starting value, b is the multiplier, and b is the thing with the exponent. So we have 2 to the x, so the 2 is our multiplier. Everything is getting multiplied by 2 here, and there isn't an a necessarily written in the equation, so we can just assume that that's a 1. So either way you think about it, making a table or just knowing the format for exponential equations, you can do that. So I'm going to graph this here, plot these points. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And if we went this way, if we had negatives, it's just getting closer and closer to 0. So there's an asymptote there, and then I'm just going to do my best to connect that up there. So that's the first one. That's y equals 2 to the x. So now I'm going to switch colors here and do the second one, B. So that is just the same graph but moved up 5 spaces, okay? So I'm just going to move every one of these points up 5 as best I can on this graph. I think I'm going to move this down here for now, so maybe you can still see that. So that's just up 5. That's a vertical shift just right there, that thing on the end, that's like the K. So I'm just going to move this up 5. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, if you want to make a table, you can. Oops. We would have just added 5 to all of these numbers over here. And then again, we're going to have an asymptote. And this one was an asymptote at 0. Now this one's an asymptote at 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it doesn't cross there. So that is the second one, this B right here. Y equals 2 to the x and then plus 5. It's been shifted up 5. And the last one, part C, is going to be moved down 5 from the original. So I think I'm going to have to move my graph a little bit here. So I'm going to move this down 5 units from where it was, all of these things. So from here, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's really nice if you have some nice graph paper for this problem. And then again, it's going to go this way, and here's our asymptote here. And that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. So notice what's happening with our asymptotes on this. It's like the thing that was on the end. Okay, so this one had nothing on the end, so the asymptote was at 0. This one was a -5, so its asymptote was at -5. And the other one at the top, the asymptote is at +5 because it said +5 on the end. So kind of interesting there. But that's how you'd graph those 3 equations on the same set of axes.